Alright guys, before this video starts, we want to let you know that our cousin Noah and our cousin Jacob are going to a Clemson Tigers game, the first one of the season. I'm kind of losing my voice, that's why I sound weird. But we wanted to let you know that they will be making a vlog of that. Hopefully, I told him to stop making weird faces. I told you to act like a normal child. Okay, so anyway, we hope you guys enjoy this video. See ya! Vader is very weird. Hey, it's my day to feed him.
No, it's not.
What the heck?
You fed him yesterday.
As if yesterday was the day before yesterday.
Don't worry, Copper. I'll protect you.